So we're recording. All right, Dylan's shooting Remington 700 for his second time today. We're recording it, so feel free when you're ready. Good job. How'd that feel?
Stronger than the 22 for sure.
All right. Let's go for a second shot.
Bust.
How's that feeling on you?
I already said stronger than the 22.
But it's not hurting?
Not too bad.
All right. You got a good job, man.
Gotta aim for one the
Maybe we'll bring in our own chairs next time.
Yeah. Aim for one the closer target.
All right, go for it, man. Nice shooting. All right, Dylan. So, how you like the new toy?
Better than any of the ones so far.
Even the 9mm?
Yeah.
All right. Well, hey, tell your fans you'll be doing more of these soon?
Yeah.
All right.
Hopefully our shotgun's next.
That's right. The shotgun is next.